Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Herschel backpack. It's called the travel backpack. I think it was also called the tech backpack though. I thought that's what I saw on their website, but maybe I'm mistaken because this looks like the right backpack, but the label does say travel backpack. Raven Crosshatch, one size. So just got this in. It's looking for a new backpack for the new year. Going back into work. Let's open this. All right. So some stats on the backpack. 30 liters. Travel backpack. 2.3 pounds. And from Herschel, let's see, can fit up to a 15-inch laptop, which is good. Features: lightweight mesh compartments, trolley sleeve, and apparently it's called the travel backpack. But I swear it was also called the tech backpack. And initial impressions, it feels good, feels great. The texture is good. I like the Herschel logo is hard to see, which is good. I don't like the, big bright logos, so it's black on black. At certain angles you can't even tell what brand it is. You have to get up close to see it. So oops, sorry. Let me open the compartments. Nice and spacious. Nice, I like the pattern inside and out. Feels padded well, that's great. What's this? Oh, just handle. Let's see up here. And this is the laptop compartment. Okay, a clip over here for the laptop. Oh, feels really soft and padded. It's interesting. Kind of feels like suede, kind of linty inside. I'll clean this out, but yeah, 3 main compartments. Here are the shoulder straps. Feels nice and cushiony. So, let's check out this compartment over here. This is on the back compartment. Okay, another pouch area, snacks, notebook maybe, but overall, those are the main compartments. This one I think I'll be doing most of my storage in. Maybe a notebook compartment, and then the laptop to protect the laptop. So overall, great first impressions, great unboxing. Again, I like how it's kind of basic, plain, not too flashy, just how I like it. So thanks everyone, hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you, bye.